it's maintenance day. So we're gonna be doing brows, upper lip, and lashes, and skincare. Okay guys, so I'm brushing on my brows with my Vertex Beauty brow brush. It's like a spoolie and a brow on the other end. Now I'm taking my Nair Hair and Smooth. It's for your face. It's like the watermelon scent. And I'm just taking a really finely tipped, or like fine shaped, square taped concealer brush. This is from e.l.f. It's like from another original $1 collections. And I'm just dipping my brush into the product and applying it to my brows, outlining the shape that I want my brows to be, but also making sure that I'm not getting any cream on any hair where I will be missing any brows, if that makes sense. So I'm shaping my brow as much as possible, and it looks easy, but honestly my brows never come out sisters, they always come out cousins. I would like them to be twins, it just never works that way. But yeah, I start with a little, I add a little bit more, and I kind of play with it. I wipe it away if I think I used too much in a certain area, or I apply a little bit more if I feel I didn't. In this case, I did not apply enough on the bottom in a lot of areas. It should have been a lot more wider so that it would wipe away clean. But I made a few mistakes in this video, and this is not the first time I've done this. But for some reason, this day, I was a little off. But yes, so now this is both my brows done, and I'm gonna also do that for my upper lip. Same brush, same Nair cream, and I'm going to be removing. And this is where I messed up. You're only supposed to keep this product on for 5 maybe 10 minutes. 10 minutes I believe is the maximum. Y'all just keep watching the video, because I kept this on both my brows and my upper lip while I did my individual lashes. Crazy. Okay, so now I'm using the BEAVS individual lashes. I will have all the products I use linked in my bio. I'm also using the BEAVS glue and the sealant, and I'm just applying the glue on the brush directly to my lashes, and I'm going in with my individual lashes in a tweezer. So my lash map is 16, 16, 15, 15, 14, 14, 13, 13, 11, and then 9. And that's the lash map that I use for this set. I don't always do it the same way, especially if I'm running out of lashes and I don't want to purchase a new one just yet. Sometimes I will improvise with whatever is left, but that's what I did today, and it gives a nice full cat eye look. I really, really love how it looks. I'm using the thicker lashes, or was it the thinner ones? It was the thinner ones that I had shown. So I'm using the thinner ones today. It's just a bit more of an everyday look and less dramatic. So yeah, I just apply the glue, and then I apply each lash in the correct order. So 16 on the outside, and then on the inner corner of my eye will be 9. So we go from 16 to 9. Okay, so the set is done, and I'm now going in with the lash sealant. I'm not gonna lie, I despise this brush. I wish it was more of a tip instead of an actual brush, so I could just rub it. I may just get like some throw out brushes that I can do that with, but yeah, I apply it, and then I just use these tweezers to kind of squish them close and make sure that they're clamped and together, and then let that dry. And while that was going, I did the other side of my lashes, and look at my lip, guys. It's literally red. It's literally red. Look at my eyebrows. The thing is dry. Do not leave it on this long. Literally 5 minutes. Set a timer on your phone if you need to, and then once it's done, that's it. And you can actually see here that I'm kind of struggling to remove the cream on my eyebrows because it's so dry. This is a wet baby rag that I'm using. It's so dry, it's not really coming up. And as you can see, there's a lot of leftover like lashes that technically should have came up, but instead of it coming off, it just kind of like dried and fried out. So I had to go in and pluck areas that I missed and any hair that just didn't want to come up. As you can see, like look under there, you can see like a lot of strays and stragglies. I just have to go in and do a little bit of cleanup with my tweezers after. So I did off camera, but I basically applied this oil. This is the Volution, I believe I'm saying it right, hibiscus corrective oil. This saved me. My face was on fire. It honestly saved me. Like my eyebrows and my upper lip just felt so much better. So now I'm going with the Maybelline, oh my gosh, what is this called? The Maybelline Tattoo Brow. I believe I'm using the shade dark brown. I've been using this since last summer. Love it. Need a new bottle. It technically only lasts up to 3 days is what they said. I kind of push it because I leave it on for 2 hours. It lasts me about almost a whole week. By the time it's faded, I just fill it in with my regular pencil. But I'm just lining exactly where all that hair that I left from my brows is. Just filling it in basically with this tattoo tint. Making sure that I get the shape right, wiping it off anywhere that I feel it's inaccurate, because you don't want, like, once it tattoos, you gotta wait till it wears off. You don't want to be looking crazy. Or you would have to basically fill it in with concealer to fix any areas. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill it in as much as I can, do one brow, and then go and do the second brow to make sure that they match. Alright, so now both brows are done. They don't look the same at all, but I'm going to leave them on for 2 hours so that they really stick. So now for the skincare, I'm going with my Benton Guava Skin Toner Pads. Love this so much. Benton Cosmetics has some amazing products. I'm going to put this on my entire face except my eyebrows and my lip. I was purposely avoiding it because I'm like, I don't want it to burn my skin. And then I made a mistake. In the next clip you will see, but I'm rubbing this all over my face, neck, chest, the back of my neck, just to really remove any dead skin and any impurities. So now we're going in with Purito. This is my favorite Centella serum, and look at my silly self rub it on my mouth, and literally like it was on fire. Like it burned so badly. Oh my goodness. But yes, apply it to your entire face. If you burn your face, do not apply it there. Like don't put nothing there but that Volution's Beauty Oil, because your face will be in shambles. But I'm just applying my skincare, rubbing it into my skin, and making sure that my face is hydrated and I feel really good. I like to apply it, like I said, down my neck, on my chest, a little bit on my back of my neck, just wherever there's extra product, make it spread. So I'm going with the Guava Soothing Moisturizing Cream, again from Benton. This one's from Benton as well. And I'm applying that all over and just blending that in. And this really gives like beautiful Korean glass skin. Just beautifully hydrated skin. It feels really good. My skin feels hydrated the entire day without it feeling oily. Like it's just really good, especially for the winter months or if you have extremely dry skin. If you're new here, then you don't know, but I swear by this eye cream. This is the 100% pure caffeine coffee bean eye cream. Love it so much. I use it every day, sometimes twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. And I'm just applying that under my eyes. Oh, see? Touched my eyebrow. It touched my eyebrow, but I'm applying it under my eyes and also on my eyelids as well. And just tapping that in and blending it in. Look at how red my top lip is. Like, I know. Like, see? Like, any product that touches those areas around my eyebrows and my upper lip, it just feels like a million needles at once. It's just so funny to watch back, but oh my goodness. Yes, just apply your skincare. But this is the final product, you guys. So now I'm going to be peeling off the tint. It's been a little bit more than 2 hours now. And I'm just peeling it off with the tweezers, but you can also use your spoolie to just basically brush your brows and brush out all of that product and that tint wax almost out of your brows. See, just use your spoolie and brush it out. Pick, brush, brush, brush. And so this is the comparison between it tinted and with it still having the tint on. Alright guys, and this is the entirety of my maintenance video. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll definitely try to do a lot more of these. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!